Welcome to the screencast for categorizing graphical elements in PDFs in Transana. PDF standard snapshots allow researchers to categorize visual selections from a PDF document. When you load a PDF document, you will be able to see coding shapes from any existing PDF quotes or snapshots that have already been created on this page of this document. 3 selections are currently visible. We want to make a selection that includes both sponsor logos in the footer of this PDF document. We're interested in the full logos, including both text and graphical portions. To create a PDF standard snapshot, we change the mode from Review to Code Image to indicate that we want to make a PDF snapshot focused on visual aspects of the PDF rather than a PDF quote focused on text. You may notice that all previous coding gets hidden in the PDF window. Once we select a keyword, the coding shape, coding color, line width, and line styles can be selected. Let's select the Analytic Codes Sponsor Logo keyword. We can use a combination of zooming, resizing, and repositioning to get the PDF window displayed exactly the way we want. Let's display just the footer with the 2 logos. We'll reposition our PDF content, zoom in, resize our window, and make a final adjustment to the position. Now we can select the Code Tool arrow in the toolbar. We'll click and drag our mouse to draw 2 coding shapes, one around each of the sponsor logos. I want to take a moment to point out something interesting about this document. Notice that as I move the mouse over the text in the CTC logo, that the center portion of the status bar at the bottom of the PDF window identifies the data in the PDF as text and shows what letter the mouse is over. But when I move the mouse over to the steady logo and move it around over the text, the status bar shows only drawing as I move the mouse around. It does not detect any text characters. This indicates that this second logo contains letter-shaped graphics rather than text. Since there's no text in the PDF for this logo, Transana would not be able to capture that text if we were trying to create a PDF quote here instead of a PDF snapshot. Now we'll go over to the collection that we want to put our PDF snapshot in and double-click it. Transana opens the Add PDF Snapshot form. Let's name this PDF snapshot Sponsor Logos. Since we've coded the logos using coding shapes, we do not need to add that keyword as a whole snapshot keyword. We'll press OK to complete the process of creating the PDF snapshot. Let's restore our PDF to view the whole page by clicking the Restore Last Save button in the toolbar. We can see the new coding shapes around both sponsor logos. If we double-click our new PDF snapshot in the database tree, we load our PDF snapshot, which appears exactly as it did when we created it in the first place. If we request a collection report from the Tug Test Elements collection, then scroll down, we can see that our PDF standard snapshot appears as a graphic in this report with the exact dimensions of the PDF window when the PDF snapshot was created, with the coding shapes that we created in it.